guys, it's Denny. I'm an artist, a crafter, a maker, and a mother. So the whole reason I started this channel is because I wanted to push myself outside of my comfort zone by exploring with new mediums. I upload a craft every Wednesday, so you can follow along or just watch, whatever makes you happy. I just hope that this pushes you to try something new. I also want to bring people together using my Facebook group, Wednesdays We Craft. People can post whatever they like. I've had people post some of their crafts that they've done. So you can, whether you want to brag on yourself or you just need advice. So if this sounds fun to you, please subscribe below and I'll see you Wednesday.